So while most Americans prefer gold, that investment hasn't paid off recently. Jackie DeAngelis takes a look at why the precious metal is looking tarnished.
Many investors are wondering if the gold rush is over. As the Dow has made a record run and money is rotated into equities, bullion has remained range-bound. But what lies ahead, and is it time to add the precious metal to your portfolio? Traditionally, gold has been the ultimate safe haven asset. When fear runs high, gold has run even higher. One recent example, the summer of 2011, when Washington gridlock prompted the S&P to downgrade the debt rating of the United States, gold hit an intraday high of $19.23 an ounce. Gold has also managed to rally alongside the markets. For example, when the Fed announced several rounds of monetary stimulus, bullion moved higher as an inflation hedge. In the past few months, though, gold hasn't managed to move much. The range-bound metal wasn't where investors flocked when they were worried about the fiscal cliff, and it certainly hasn't been where they've turned as the markets have climbed higher. Traders say gold's behavior is odd, but explainable. For one thing, it's been held back by dollar strength.
Well, gold, like many other things, is denominated in U.S. dollars, right? So when there is strength in the U.S. dollar, that implies there's weakness in a foreign currency. So there is less gold that can be purchased per euro, per yen, per Swissy.
In addition, there's been evidence that funds are selling gold as they rotate into equities.
There has been outflows in terms of the GLD. It's the most common vehicle for these funds to participate and initiate some gold exposure. So the open interest has come off substantially in the GLD.
And even when gold does seem to catch a bid, it tends to be short covering, not necessarily new buying. But still, experts say that all signs indicate that gold is headed higher. Here at home, fears of the impact of sequestration and new debt ceiling deadlines are a cause for concern. Abroad, the Eurozone debt crisis is far from over, as highlighted by recent events in Cyprus.
We have this crisis coming out of Cyprus, and so there is a demand. This is the definition of headline risk. So we have this demand for safe haven.
For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.